What's good with y'all niggas? We back with another video and shit. 48 laws of power, you know what I'm saying? Law number 26. Alright, let's get straight into it. As I say, the title is Appearance is Everything. Now, from what you read, what you have known the title so far, people would think, now I'm talking about, oh, you have to be worried about what other people think of you and all that. Yes, that's what I'm saying. That's exactly what I'm saying. Because there's a time when um, there was a time where first I'm gonna continue this, but like the time where like I didn't care about what other people said, what they thought, and I just said what the fuck came out of my mouth, and now I got hate, I got enemies now, unnecessary enemies. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta be appearance is everything. You know what I'm saying? Appearance is everything. So let's see what the book has to say. It says as a man, appearance is everything. If you make mistakes, you have two options: apologize and make excuses, or use a reliable scapegoat. Apologizing and making excuses are counterproductive. They make the situation more tense than it had to be. It has to be. While using a scapegoat, you can keep your reputation. You can also raise it by making sure people see you using a scapegoat, and you will be seen as a hero. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's take it like let's say from let's analyze this. Say you're the president, you know what I'm saying? You do a fucked up shit. Let's say you open a bar, you know what I'm saying? You want the country, you want to, one of the hosts is doing a bar, right? You have two options: apologize or use a scapegoat. A scapegoat. What happens? What should we choose? Because people don't say apologizing. It's okay, yes, but like, let me ask you this. There's always a saying that like there's something that I always used to say like, bro, saying sorry doesn't do shit. I mean, at the end of the day, the bar is still there. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, but like if you say no, I couldn't do it. I had to do it because I had to do XYZ. I'm not sure what I can say right now as a scapegoat. Maybe like um yeah, let's see. I had to support the if you support the poor people. Now people more now in the country more easy now. They'll be more better. They'll be better now. They'll react better because now that, oh, okay, I see what you mean. They'll be more receptive to it. They try to help you do what you need to do, and thus you'll be seen as a hero. So yeah. Yeah, like I said, appearance is everything. You gotta look. You wanna be looked as the hero, not the fucking villain. Because as the villain, you can't get shit done. I'm sorry, you won't get shit done. You know what I'm saying? Uh, yeah, like simple as that. You know what I'm saying? So like, don't forget to like, comment below, subscribe, holla back at your boy. Got the reaction videos coming out real soon, bro. Like, just hold on right here, just hold on. And yeah, holla back at your boy and never fucking stop grinding. Shit.